Understanding the phrase, plant the seeds, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, plant the seeds. This idiom is used quite often in English, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning behind this interesting phrase. Let's start with the literal meaning. To plant seeds means to put seeds into the ground so that they will grow into plants. It's a common activity in gardening or farming. This action requires patience, as you won't see the results immediately. The seeds need time to germinate and grow. In a figurative sense, planting the seeds means to start something that will develop or become apparent later on. It's about initiating a process that will yield results in the future. This can apply to ideas, plans, or relationships. For example, when you teach someone a new concept, you're planting the seeds of knowledge. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. You might hear someone say, "We need to plant the seeds for our company's expansion now." This means they want to start the process of expanding the company, anticipating that it will grow and become successful later. 1. Education. By reading to children, we plant the seeds of lifelong learning. 2. Business. Our initial marketing efforts were about planting the seeds for future sales. 3. Personal growth. Attending the seminar planted the seeds of self-improvement in me. And that's all about the phrase, plant the seeds. We hope this video helps you understand not just the literal meaning, but also the deeper, figurative sense of this common English idiom. Remember, language learning is like planting seeds. It takes time and effort to see the growth. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.